Hi, and welcome to a short video in which I'm going to show you the OneLaunch Clipboard History tool. The OneLaunch Clipboard History tool is a great feature in the OneLaunch doc that helps you keep track of your copy history. So, have you ever had that experience where you've copied something that was important, but maybe you forgot to paste it where you needed to paste it, and after that point you copied numerous times since, and then it's very difficult and tricky to remember where that original copy came from, and you've got to go back and search for it. So OneLaunch has addressed this issue by very clearly populating your clipboard history in the clipboard history feature on your OneLaunch doc. So it's a really handy way to go back and find those things that you've copied in the past. So first of all, where do you find it? Simply go to the top right of your OneLaunch app, your OneLaunch doc, and you see this icon where when I'm hovering over it, it says Clipboard History, and it looks like a clipboard. So click that, and immediately you can see, in my case, my clipboard history, my last 4 copies in the last 17 minutes. The first 3 were copies of a loom.com URL, and the most recent 2 minutes ago of a link UK soccer something or other. So that's my history of what I've copied in the last 17 minutes. To show you exactly how this works, let's just make a search, dogs. Opens up in my OneLaunch Chromium browser, and maybe I really I like this dog link on Wikipedia, and I want to copy it and paste it somewhere because I really like dogs. I want to send this link about the history of dogs to somebody, so copy. And as I click copy, I don't know if your eyes caught that, but the clipboard history actually flashes, the icon flashes to let you know, hey, we've copied something and it's going to be stored in the clipboard history. So you can also do that with images. So let's copy this image here of dogs, and again watch that clipboard history icon, copy, and it flashes. So we just copied 2 things. One, we copied the Wikipedia URL for dog, and we also copied on the right here this image for dog. So now let's say I copy countless other things, but later today I really want to send the URL for dog to a friend, or the image of that dog image to somebody. So I simply will go to my clipboard history tool, and you can see right then and there we've got the link still to Wikipedia for dog. We've also got the image that I've copied, and I can simply click it and it recopies it, and click it, recopies it, which is great, but maybe it was actually the soccer one that I want to go way back to, and I copy that and then I paste it, and immediately I'm back to my uksoccershop.com URL. So that's how the clipboard history tool works. It's a really handy feature, and we hope you like it. If you have any questions on this tool, feel free to email us at support and get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much.